Good evening, everybody. I know our lessons are about conversation, but who doesn't need a good deal of grammar to do that? Be with us and our adjectives for today. Okay, then let us just take maybe this little thing, which is about how to use adjectives. This is adjective, صفة. Okay? When I say she's quick, that means she is very fast. What does pretty mean?
دقيقة هي أكثر من معنى. ما عندي إذا pretty جميلة.
Beautiful. Pretty beautiful.
Sometimes comes يعني قليلا أو شيئا ما.
Yes, exactly. This is when I use it with other words.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good, yes, with another adjective. It will be an assistant or an aid. All right. They call it auxiliary. مساعد.
Auxiliary.
Okay. Now, good is also an adjective. It means good. What do we mean by good?
Fine.
Fine. All right. Easy. Yes.
سهل.
Simple.
يعني بالعربي يعني؟
Yes.
Simple.
No, another word in
another
mind.
word. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Terrible.
Terrible.
Oh, it's terrible.
Yeah, I know the meaning, but I need to.
It's bad.
Remember, bad. Yeah.
Say any word that comes in your mind. Please don't think a lot. Look, I don't want you to think a lot. This is the main goal, or what we are doing here, is to think less and talk more. That's how we can express much easier. If we keep thinking, we'll never get to a result. Okay, because there is always a better word. دائما أكل أفضل ودائما أكل أحسن بالتعبير. فبالتالي دائما راح تلقى سبب إنه توقف وما تحكي.
صح. حتى بالعربي من صح. أكل أفضل فتفكر.
You always want to be the best in what you say or what you do. Don't. Just say it.
Just say it.
Just talk. Okay? People need to know what you are thinking. They do not need to take notes from your mouth. Okay? I just need to know where Ala stands from this issue. وين موقفها؟ وين واقفة فكرتها? Where Amr is standing from a certain point. And if you keep silent, how would I know? How can I continue talking or communicating? This is the main point for communication. You say something, I say something, and we have a conversation. It's much more important than I do all the talking and you do all the listening. This is boring.
Yeah.
And
it's like a lecture.
We don't need lectures in life. We had enough. Okay?
Yeah,
we need to communicate.
Yeah.
Exactly, yes. Okay. So after terrible, which is bad, good, which is fine, careful. What do you think? What is careful? How can we say it in English?
Safe.
To be safe, exactly. Thinking on the safe side of something, you need to be careful.
Watch out.
Watch out. Very good. Very yes. Watch out. Okay. So now we have those things in front of us. You're thinking too much. All right. Okay. Now, we don't need to do it here, but I'm just going to read it. Or can you please read it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Amr.
He dash reads a book.
All right.
Quick.
Yes.
What was the question here?
You have to use quick in the space. You put quick in the space, but
change something in it?
You have to change it.
Yeah.
I mean, let's try number one. He quick reads a book. It doesn't sound right.
Yeah.
There is something wrong. What do I say so that it would become a right sentence or phrase? How is he reading a book?
Quickly.
Very good.
But I have to use the auxiliary. Is. Okay?
No.
He is a quickly.
Yes.
He is quickly reads a book. Yeah, okay.
He quickly reads a book. He quickly
reads a book.
Yes. Yeah. And I can use it in another place, of course, in the sentence. He reads a book
quickly.
Very good. And this is what they taught us in school, that every ly should be at the end of the sentence, just to make it easy for us. But actually, we can use quickly or other words, adverbs, inside the sentence too. Okay? All right. What about Mandi, Ala? What is she? Mandy is number
Mandy is
2.
a
Girl.
Yeah, very good. Mandy is a pretty girl. Number 3.
Don't need to change anything.
No, you don't need to.
The class is terribly loud today.
Very good, but unfortunately, it's not loud. It's very calm,
Silent.
calm.
Calm, yeah.
Not silent, calm. What's the difference between silent and calm?
calm يعني هادئ. silent صامت فد ما يعني. ما بيها مجال.
So we're more calm than silent,
Yeah.
right? All right, Anna, Max.
Max is a good
Singer, same thing.
Very good. Okay.
Is it middle صغيرة?
No,
You can easily open this tin.
Max is a
You can easily open this tin.
very good. What is tin?
القطية.
Another meaning in English.
قصدير.
No, in English. What is a tin?
ها
I
tin
don't-
box something.
No,
not box.
can.
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 Can yeah.
The can. Can يعني قوطية.
كان يعني قطية صح.
C-A-N. Okay.
صح
Yeah.
صح كان.
Tin, can. Okay. It's a
وين it's a day to day.
It's a terrible day today.
okay. Now,
A terrible day today.
لاحظنا انه آلاء دا تصير عليها الجمل اللي مدى تحتاج تغيير.
مم.
انه عامر دا ياخذ الجمل اللي دا تحتاج اضافة ال ly او تتحول الى ظرف. عندكم هسه فد نظرة سريعة بيا جمل احنا دا نخلي ال y وبيا جمل دا نتركها صفة. قارنوا بالله بين اي جملتين. شنو اللي هنا خلاني اخلي الصفة مثل ما هي؟ شنو اللي خلاني احولها الى ظروف؟ اكو فد شي بالكلمات اللي نستخدمها.
يعني يجي فعل مثلا verb يجي مثلا بعد الكلمة بعد الفراغ.
ممكن زين قارنها باللي بعدها شنو دا يجي؟ قارنها او اللؤة انت شنو يجي؟
هسه احنا مثلا الجملة الأولى هي يعني الفعل اللي يريد ماخذ
He quickly reads book.
الاس فتجي كويكلي صفة رأسه.
بمعنى هذا فعل اوكي. بينما اذا عندي noun مثل girl دا تبقى الصفة مثل ما هي.
اي مو هو نفس الإجابة مالتي صحيحة؟
نفس جوابك صحيح نعم. بس حبيت انه آلاء تشاركنا.
ماشي.
إيه أنا كذا أفكر.
اي لا ضروري. We need that. Okay. So
Why did you make the dash in this shape?
it's not me.
Not you?
No. I took it from people.
think the
I need to tell you something.
Good.
Our lessons are not only built from one source. That's why students like it. ما مأخوذة من مصدر واحد. بدنا نحاول إنه نشخص الأشياء على أساس الامتحان اللي صار بالبداية البليسمنت تيست. ودا أشوف إنه معظم طلبتنا شنو دا يحتاجون. I start to pick it out from other curricula. وقسم إحنا مركز بيتا نسويها. We build it up, all of it. And some, like especially those paragraphs, especially those, you know.
You are customizing the lessons
We are
depending on the students.
Depending on your needs. That's why we find sometimes we find the same things in other levels because they need them. Okay? But still, if you think that you have any comment about anything, you need to tell me, please.
Good.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. She sings the song. هنا يا بطل يقدر يحولها.
When she sing the songs,
7. Ala, can you try?
she sing the song يعني نحاولها better مثلا.
No. بس تقربتي.
can I add another word?
No. What is good? Good من تتحول إلى ظرف. شلون تصير؟
Very good.
We have a word under with, which is well-being. Part of it is from good.
Well,
Well,
she's
Oh, well,
she can sing well
she can sing well.
because I can't say goodly.
Yeah,
So goodly is well.
very good.
All right?
all right.
Okay. So good becomes well.
Well,
Very good. Okay.
very good.
Maybe
Very
this is- very good. Yeah. And but what do I say? Well done.
Well done.
I don't say good done. well done, which means you did that very.
Is it one word or two separate words? Well
no,
done.
no, no, two separate words. When I really want to say that you did a good job, I don't say you did a well job, but I say well done.
Well done.
You did a good job لأن job اسم تجي قدامه صفة which is good.
بس أنا شايفة مثلا الأمريكان هم يحشون يقول لك well done يعني حتى العصبية يقولوا
No, no, well done.
No.
No.
Well done يعني أحسنت. إيه.
لا, we
بعد
have
هو-
done. No, that's it. We have done.
لا we're done.
We are done. Yeah.
We're done يعني انتهى الموضوع غير قابل للنقاش وصلنا حدنا هذه we're done يعني وصلنا حدنا اوكي هاي تنقال بعصبيه على قولة الامريكان we're done والامهات دائما يستخدموها ويا اولادهم اوكي فلان we're done here بعد انتهت علاقاتنا الدبلوماسيه وكلها
Yeah, كل شيء انتهى.
okay but well done is something else means very good
Yeah.
excellent you're great both of you okay well done all right so all right we go he is a number 8 Amr
Number 8.
Yes,
He
please.
is a careful driver.
very good he is a careful driver driver سائق careful حذر he drives the car شلون يقود السيارة
be careful.
no he drives the car
Carefully.
carefully خلينا نعيدها سوية ونفكر بيها he is a careful driver أكمل he drives the car
Carefully.
very good you think you understood the
Yeah, yeah.
subject
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, I
all right good all right if you have any question about this subject please tell me all right I need from you only 2 sentences the next lesson only 2 sentences one is an adjective and the other is an adverb يعني نفس هاي الحالة تختاروها شوية تختلف عن هذني quick pretty terrible أي صفة ممكن تتحول أيضا إلى ly وتخلوا لي إياها بجملتين أريد أشوف شلون تستخدم أخاف زحمة Thank you for being with us. See you soon.